Hi guys, just because there was no comments on the last video, which was asking what cars to buy, I've went ahead and saved myself 4 million. Yeah, see if I can zoom in. Don't know if you see that, but I've managed to save myself 4 million. I'll try and get the camera right now. Yeah, I managed to save myself 4 million. So, I was wondering what to buy really of it. I've been thinking I could have bought a Bugatti and a couple other cars with that, which would be really nice. I could even buy that. Whatever car I wanted, really. Literally, like, whatever car, really. But, instead of that, I'm thinking on Corvettes. Though I had a little thought about Lamborghinis, and I came across this. And I have enough to buy this. I have well over, not well over. I have 100 grand over the amount that I'm gonna have just to buy this car. So I had a little thought to myself. Is this car really that good? So I'm thinking that, should I buy it? Shouldn't I? I've been saving up for the past couple of days. Just try and get 4 million. So I'm gonna, like I said, 4.5 million. Do you want to buy this car? Look, I'm gonna zoom in. Do you want to buy this car with credits? Buy car credit. Saving, do not turn off your console. Guys, I've just bought a £4.5 million car in Forza. I clicked my hand. That really hurt. Right. If you wonder what this is on, guys, it's on an X, which one S. But yeah. Proof that I just bought it. Gonna run around it. Look at the colour. I'm gonna change this car up quite a bit, obviously, but still, it's a. What's this? Just change the number plate to. I'll change the number plate later. But let's see. I want to shut that door. Open that door. So you want to get in the car. Shut that door. Look, guys. Sorry if the camera went out of place for a second. It's just beautiful sounding. And yeah, we basically just bought ourselves. Yeah, that's really good. There isn't any nice looking, not weird. I'm gonna keep these wheels and everything. I'm gonna upgrade the car and I'll be right back.